component, it's installed into the jam pocket prior to the frame welding. At this point, you're seeing it that it's been, the screw in the bracket has been tightened down and the cartridge is holding in place. Our next step is to actually pull the shoes down slightly and unlock them. During the installation method, what we have to do, since the shoes should not be placed absolutely level, the shoes on the left side and right hand jambs should be staggered slightly so that when the sash is installed, it's installed at a slight angle, and we'll show you that later. One of the things I wanted to point out to you right now is that when you're unlocking the cam, it's very important to try and unlock that cam so that the throat opening of the cam is fully oriented in the upward position. This gives you the most freedom for dropping the pivot bar into place. Now what I'm going to demonstrate to you now is just a pivot bar by itself. We're just going to show how it inserts into the cam, and we're going to come in slightly from above, go through the hole in the case, and drop down into the cam. In a moment we're going to show you the same thing but with a sash. It's a little harder to see, but it's exactly the same action taking place. We're going to drop the sash into the frame. The low side pivot bar goes in first. Find the hole in the case, stick it in. Opposite side, slide down the face of the carrier, find the insert point. Once you're in the cam, a gentle press downward to square it up. Close the sash and square it up. Operate it. Sash is installed. Quick and easy. Now we are going to show sash removal. Quite honestly, we don't encourage homeowners to do this. They don't need to remove the sash. They just need to tilt the sash in and clean it, and then return it to its operating position. But for factory and installer needs, the sash can be easily removed by reversing the previous steps. Here is a key hint. When you tilt the sash in, go past 90 degrees, and then come back up to it. This opens the cam squarely to the carrier body and allows easier lift out of the pivot bar. If you have installed a tamper lock, remove it first by peeling the part down from the top. If you do not have a tamper lock installed, we're going to push the sash down on one side, allowing the opposite side to ride up and out of the cam in the carrier. That creates clearance to lift the sash out completely. It happens very quickly and easily. Let's go ahead and reinstall it and show that motion one more time. Reinstalled, down slightly, square the sash, close and operate the sash, and I'll let our demonstrator go at a normal speed for taking that in and out. Remember, he's going to go past 90, come back up to it, and now it's a quick action. Down and out, clearing the opposite part and lifting out.